5 pieces of paper, the ruler, tape or something to put on the wall to help you mark, pens, markers, pencils, disposable pipette, and the simulated blood, and your blood spatter lab write-up. You're then going to take your 5 pieces of paper, fold them in half, and then rip or cut them in half, whatever you have with you. So as you can see, I am now cutting my 5 pieces of paper in half for a total of 10 pieces of paper. Based on what the group decides, you will then mark each piece of paper with the height that the blood spatter will go on. For instance, that paper is for 10 centimeters. This paper will be 20 centimeters. I will be going up by 10 centimeters, but I recommend that your increments be larger than 10 centimeters and that you get a range of heights that's going from at least 20 centimeters to 150 centimeters. Now I am going to use my ruler and my tape to help me mark the different heights that I have for my pieces of paper. Remember, my first one was 10 meters. I'm going to use tape to mark it. Use whatever you have at home that you are allowed to use to mark on the wall for your various heights. So again, using my ruler, going to go up to 20 centimeters. Going to use tape to mark it. Again, use something safe at home that you are allowed to use and mark up on the wall and take down later. So I'm going to do this for some heights. Time to drop some blood. I recommend placing the paper against the wall as such, starting from your first measurement on the wall already pre-measured, having your disposable pipette filled with blood, making sure it's up against the wall as close as you can at a 90-degree angle, and do a drop, maybe a couple. Then maybe switch your paper around to other sides so you have more room. And as you can tell, sometimes air bubbles get into your disposable pipette and you just have to have the patience and just get that blood droplet down. You can also move your disposable pipette to the left and right of the original distance and just make sure you get as much blood spatters as you can on your distance paper, depending on what the group decides.